Hi guys, I was just playing some F1 2021 and listen to this. You hear that? That was the sound of thunder. Yes, we're in a thunderstorm. My house, and the neighbours, and probably the house after that, and probably the house after that. 4 miles. Oh, look at that tent. That's serious, but still, this is critical. This is bad. This is dangerous. Because not only is it heavy rain, but it's thunder. It could hail and break my window. By the way, my window's open so you can hear it better. Oh, did you see that flash? Oh my god. This is... By the way, I was playing that. Oh my god. I see a funnel. Right where my... I'm gonna point to it. Yeah, you can't see it, but the camera's too bright. But I can see it. It's a mini pipe, but it's not down. Okay, it's going back. I can't believe this happened, guys. It just started raining like this, like that, instantly. This is super critical, guys. Look, there's an outlet. Hey, that's on the other side of the window. I think it's a fly. Anyways, guys, turn off that, and I'll be quiet so you guys can listen to it. It's so peaceful, isn't it? Hold on.